Hello everyone. In this video, I'll explain how to register an LLC with the IRS step by step. Many people think they have to register their entire LLC directly with the IRS, but that's not actually how it works. The IRS doesn't form your LLC. It recognizes your business for tax purposes. So in this video, I'll show you exactly what you need to do once your LLC is formed to make sure it's properly registered with the IRS and ready for taxes. First, before you deal with the IRS, you must form your LLC through your state. Go to your state Secretary of State website and file your Articles of Organization. Once that's approved, your LLC legally exists. You'll get a certificate or confirmation document from your state, and that's what you'll need to move on to the IRS part. Now that your LLC is officially registered with the state, your next step is to get an Employer Identification Number, or EIN, from the IRS. This number is like a Social Security number for your business. It identifies your LLC for tax purposes and allows you to open a business bank account, hire employees, and file federal tax returns. To apply for your EIN, go to the official IRS website, irs.gov/EIN, and click on Apply Online Now. You'll see the EIN Assistant page. Click on Begin Application, and when it asks for your entity type, select Limited Liability Company, or LLC. Then click Continue. The system will ask how many members your LLC has and what state it's located in. If you're the only owner, enter one member. That makes you a single-member LLC, which the IRS automatically treats as a disregarded entity. This means your business income is taxed on your personal tax return using Schedule C. If your LLC has two or more members, the IRS will treat it as a partnership, and you'll file a Form 1065 along with Schedule K-1s for each member. Next, you'll need to provide the responsible parties information. That's usually you, the owner. Enter your name, Social Security number, and contact details. Then enter your LLC's legal name exactly as it appears on your state registration, along with the business address and mailing address if different. After that, the IRS will ask a few simple questions about your business, like the reason for applying for an EIN. Choose Started a New Business. Then you'll be asked about the type of business activities you do, for example, retail, consulting, real estate, or something else. Choose the category that best describes your business. Once you've filled out everything, review the application carefully and submit it. If you apply online during IRS business hours, you'll get your EIN instantly as a downloadable confirmation letter, called the EIN Assignment Letter, or Form CP-575. Make sure to save and print this letter. You'll need it for opening a business bank account and for your tax records. Now that you have your EIN, your LLC is officially recognized by the IRS. But there's one more step you might consider: choosing how you want your LLC to be taxed. By default, single-member LLCs are taxed as sole proprietorships, and multi-member LLCs are taxed as partnerships. However, if you want to be taxed as an S corporation or C corporation, you'll need to file an election form, Form 2553 for S Corp, or Form 8832 for C Corp. These forms let you change your tax classification to potentially save money on self-employment taxes. And finally, it's important to keep your EIN safe and use it consistently on all your federal tax filings. The IRS will use it to track your business income, payroll taxes, and any future filings. And that's it. Once your LLC is formed with your state and you've applied for an EIN, your business is officially registered with the IRS. This process makes your company fully recognized for tax and banking purposes, setting the foundation for smooth operations and compliance. Subscribe the channel for more videos.